Så.
Nu, nej vänta. Där. Ja.
Man säger. Let me see your body go like a maraca. Oh no. Vilket vackert väder. Solen skiner idag. Måns. Jag kommer inte ihåg mer. Vilka tunna kläder behövs för det gillar jag. Så upp och... I don't know. Så upp och hoppa dig sol idag. Samman kan man inte göra. Alltså se mitt hår.
Ett blått, men där är inte svensk text på det.
Och nu har han förstått mitt hår. Håll den. Hold that bitch!
Jag hittar inte det.
Nej, håll bara stilla.
Ljug inte, du får det lilla gubben.
Ja.
Ja, men jag har tappat det ju.
Det är sol idag. Som man kan...
Jag hör inte.
Kan man inte ligga och dra?
Han kickar mig.
Va? Vad sa han?
Han bara, det är inte här.
Du har väl tappat det på vägen. Så det bara nu. Som man kan man...
Kolla på mig.
Tack.
Rätt så bra så här. Vad filmar?
Ja. Som man kan man inte ligga. Let me see your body go like a maraca. Måns. That was Måns. He's my college on the McDonald's, and I like to job with him. I like to work with him because he's very funny, and I like to work with him because he makes my day. I mean, that is very funny to work with him because he's have such a humor, and he's also she's such a bitch. I like to work with him because I like to work with him. Yes, I do. So one day I'm going to pee, and one day I have to pee. And I said to him, I have to pee. And he said, okay, go to the toilet then. And I did. Yes, I did. And one day I said to him, I have to poop.
Mobilia. Och sen när du sa det varmt.
I said to him, I have to poop. And he said, man, what you do? Go to the toilet and poop then. I said, I only poop at home. And he said, you're very weird. And the weed. Weird.
Sophia has not do that.
Sophia has to do that. Sophia has smoked weed.
No.
Sophia has smoked weed and I have smoked weed. We have smoked weed. Yes, we have. And we get high. Yeah, that's very funny. Because we get high and we have some flub now, yeah. Oh, don't look at me. Please don't look at me. I'm begging you. Please don't look at me. Well, stop doing that. Well, anyway, I said to him I had to poop and he said, oh, go to the toilet and poop then. And I said, I want to poop at home. So I work the time I have to work, and then I go home and I poop. I poop a very, very big poop. And it was like, I wet my ass. I wet my ass and it was brown. I promise, my paper was brown. And I wet my ass again, and it was very brown. And then I look at the toilet. I like to look at the toilet when I flush, and all of the kanter, it was brown. Oh shit, no, my poop is not that brown. So I go to my mom and said, no way, my poop is that brown. And she said, oh well, your poop is brown because you have to poop. And I said, okay, my poop is brown. That's okay, my poop is brown. Everyone's poop is brown, except there's yellow and there's black. But anyway, my poop is always brown. And said, no way, my poop is that brown. It was like dark brown. It was very, very dark brown. And I showed my mom and said, my poop is not that bad, that's brown. And she said, oh, it's okay, you have a problem with your stomach. And I said, okay, I have problem with my stomach, but I only poop at home. I don't poop at work, at school, toilet in the town. Okay, I had poop at Sophia's house, but it was only because my asshole was so open that my poop ran out. I didn't have to press. I only have to poop, liksom. Anyway, I said to my mom, my poop isn't that brown. And then she said, okay, your poop is very brown right now because you have a problem with your stomach. And I said, okay. I said, okay, I have a problem with my stomach because I only poop at home. I don't poop at school, anything. Anyway, she said to me, it's okay, you only have to wipe your ass. I wiped my ass and it was brown, very brown. I have a small poop at the paper, and it was like, ew, it was very nasty. And well, I don't know. It was very nasty. And I wet my ass to get dry. And then I have to poop again. I have to poop again. I don't know what is with my stomach. I have to poop again. Oh, I have to go now because my best friend, Sophia, has stuck with me. So I'm gonna see what she wants. Oh, she's very ugly. But I love her anyway. I love her. That's Sophia. Mwah, mwah. I love my Sophia. But talk to you later. Press.